everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before we start the new letter, let's revise previous one. Letter G. Letter G. Go, 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 go. Letter O. Letter O. O, O, O. Letter U. Letter U. O, O, O. Letter L. Letter L. L. Letter F. Letter F. Okay. Now it's time to start the sixth letter of third group. Letter B. Letter B. Let's start with the short story. Bill and Ben were two brothers. They both went to the park. They watched some boats on the lake and listened to the band playing. They sat on a bench and removed their bat and ball from a big basket. They found some more friends in the park. They started playing. Bill threw the ball for the rock and the bat hit the ball, making the sound like B, B. Yes, the sound of letter B is B, B. And the action of letter B is B, B. Let's see how to write letter B on red and blue line. B, B, letter B. B, B, letter B. B, B, letter B. B, B, letter B. Okay. Listen the words corresponding to the pictures. What's this? Bib. Burger, bib. What's this? Crab. There is a sound of letter B in the last. Crab. What's this? Basket. Burger, basket. What's this? Fish. Is it related to letter sound B? No. So we cross out the picture. Okay. Now blend the words. Bo and go bag. Bo and go bag. Bo it go big. Bo it go big. Go o go cup. Go o go cup. Bo o bus. O bus. Okay. Let's sing a song. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. So, that's all for today. See you in my next video with the revision of this group. Till then, bye.